Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 10. First of all, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to create Wi-Fi hotspot, first of all tap on this Wi-Fi on the bottom right over here. And now you can see here is Wi-Fi hotspot. Right click and tap on this, go to settings. Now you can see here is mobile hotspot. Now just turn this on by just clicking over here. And now over here you can edit name, password and also the network band. Now I'll edit this and now over here is Wi-Fi name. I'll name this as Tech Guide. And now you can just set this password. I'll leave it like this. And also we can select the network band 5G or 2.4G. Now I'll go with this 2.4G only and then just save. And you can see this Tech Guide Wi-Fi hotspot is turned on. So in this way we can turn on Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.